I'm making a shrimp and green bean stir fry today with some white rice. You're going to need some honey, toasted sesame oil, rice vinegar, and some soy sauce or tamari for the sauce for the shrimp and green beans. You're going to need some measuring cups, fork. Always good to have a cutting board in case you want to cut the green beans a little bit smaller. 2 bowls, your rice, green beans, and some shrimp. So here we go. I'm going to mix up the ingredients, and then I'm going to put the shrimp and green beans on the stove to cook. We're going to do 2 teaspoons toasted sesame oil. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 2 teaspoons of honey. Okay, 1 more. Okay. There it is. 1 tablespoon of the tamari or soy sauce. Alright. And with a fork, we're just going to mix it all together. So combined. Nice. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to start cooking the shrimp and the green beans on the stove. Here we go. For the rice, I have a pot, and I'm going to be measuring 2 cups of water to bring to a boil on the stove before I put the rice in. Put a little toasted sesame oil into the pan. We're going to get the green beans going first to cook on high heat. We don't want to make anything burn. We're going to keep an eye on it the whole time. Let's go. Crank the heat. Putting the green beans on. My green beans are starting to become browned and tender. I'm going to add the shrimp now. That cooks really fast. There we go. Shrimp. My green beans and shrimp are cooking through. It's looking great so far. I'm going to add the sauce now and cook it a little bit more. We're just going to continue to stir it so it doesn't burn. It's going to cook real fast. Cooking them until they're pink, no longer translucent. They're firm to the touch. Stirring. My rice is done. It cooked for about 15 minutes with the lid on. And then I turned the heat off, kept the lid on for another 5 minutes. So it looks perfect. The shrimp and green beans, that's done. I'm going to plate everything up. Yeah. All right, it's a wrap. Shrimp and green bean stir fry with white rice. A nice vegetarian option. Super lean, high protein. A total muscle fuel win. What do you think?
Good.
It's good? The shrimp's good? Do you want to try green bean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, awesome.
But I'm dying this.
Cool. Hope you enjoy too. Have a great day.